Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to check the DNS server you are using in Windows 11 using the Settings app. DNS stands for Domain Name System. It converts website names like google.com into IP addresses so your computer can connect to the correct website. Sometimes users change the DNS server to improve internet speed, security or privacy. If you want to know which DNS server your Windows 11 computer is currently using, you can easily check it through the Settings app. So let's get started. First you need to open Windows 11 settings. For that you can press Windows plus I key on the keyboard. Otherwise you can click on the start button and select here settings. It will also open Windows 11 settings. Under settings, select network and internet in the left sidebar. On the right, click on the Wi-Fi or Ethernet through which you have connected to the internet. After that, click on the properties. Now scroll down a bit to find DNS server assignment. Here you will see whether the DNS is set to automatic or manual. If it shows automatic DHCP, it means your router is automatically providing the DNS server, and you can scroll down and you can find here DNS servers addresses. If it shows manual, then a custom DNS server such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS has been configured. You can also click on the edit button and view or change the DNS settings if needed. That's it. This is how you can check which DNS server you are using on Windows 11 using the Settings app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.